Hey my Freestyle Nation, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back. In this video coming up, we're going to talking about Bounty Killer, Ground God, the Ground Champion, Warlord, Poor People Governors. Yo, the man have a whole heap of tiger from now till the morning. But guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Bounty Killer go gospel. Yeah, Bounty go gospel. And yo, Warlord, yo, I love this here, my brother. Cause we know how the thing go. And I've been there for over 2 decades. You know what I mean? We have been to the shows, we have been to the concert, and we know how the things said. From the Warlord days, you know what I mean? From the angrier days and from the crosser days. And for so the man can come up now and I show some youth say, yo, you not hear me? I God way and no other way. Because if you realize how the music has shifted these days, you know what I mean? Some youth are praise devil, some youth are worship Obia, some man of this, some man of that. And for a time like now, it couldn't have been a better time for the killer come and make them know, say, yo, you not hear me? You have to call upon Jesus, because right now we need him more than ever. So, I love this for your Bounty. And guys, I must tell you, if you know the killer and know him personally, when you come on to God, Bounty no run God joke. Them man are deep when you come on to them God. One thing I can tell about killer, as much as he might have crossed, miserable and angry, them man ya no play when you come on to them God. He's a very godly youth, and yo, me just love the fact that him show that side there him to the public. So yo, you not hear me? Yes, they know God and no other way. So Freestyle Nation, just go and make the video run and just see what I go on for myself. Bounty Killer, Kevin Downswell, and it survives. So just look what I go on for yourself. Run the intro and then you just check out the video and see what I go on. You know the vibes. Freestyle. Kaboom!
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for her rain freestyle adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom! what you want to say? Jesus, 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 Jesus.
I want, bro, Jesus. I want you to do something for me. Hold on.
Yeah, go to the second verse.
Yeah. But when you hear the second verse with no music, just a kick. Right.
Call it. When your pocket full of money, things nice and sunny, keep taxi prosperity. When you know you're living up here, your family doing better, can't keep it the legacy. When you rent, man, that pressure, your family, you're not paying enough food for the table. When things get bubbly and nice and lovely. Jesus, my head on the ground. We go and show up. We go and run. We make the party feel. Somebody call it here. Don't go out of here. Oh, party here. When the monkey protect you. When you feel the glory. When you have nobody. When you hit it, it's a chuckle and I put you in a chuckle and you can't fight the battle. When your life in a trouble and you can't take the struggle, man, you make the pressure kill your toes. When the rent, man, I don't feel your family, your pressure, you no food for the table. Help me feel the camera because everything is possible. I want to see you now. God is your life, I'm not following. Can you turn around? I'm not going to see you. When you're not ready to make a big song, then you're going to say so much. We don't get right, so I'm a son. Don't be a perfect.
They missed it.
Yes. I ain't bumps it, look. All I want is off.
Like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed as yet, the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.